So I'm in Hong Kong, roaming the streets of Kowloon. It kind of reminds me of Tokyo in certain ways, with all the LED lights going on and all the non-stop action going on here. They even have 7-Eleven. Just look at all this food going on here. But yeah, it's a lot going on here for it to be Sunday. The city is very much alive on a Sunday night. There's a ton of stuff to do in Kowloon. There's a whole bunch of food, live entertainment. You can't get bored. You can just people watch out here. Like, I think this is like the Kowloon Road of Hong Kong, because there's just endless amounts of everything here. Wow. I know for one thing, I am starving. I gotta find an ATM so I can get money so I can eat. But there's a lot of upscale restaurants here, or not upscale restaurants, but upscale stores and whatnot. Didn't want to get in this guy's picture. But yeah, like all those stock images on Google of Hong Kong that you see with like the double-decker buses, the neon lights. Well, they're not neon anymore, they're LEDs now. But you know, all those images you see is in Kowloon. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm about to find me something to eat so I can go back to the airport and get out of here and go home tomorrow. It's been fun, and just want to thank everybody that's been following me this entire trip. You know, all the positive feedback, the birthday wishes. It's been fun, but you know, all good things come to an end, right? But you know, on to the next one, as I always say. Yeah, on to the next one. It's been fun. In the meantime, I'm about to find me an ATM and find some food so I can get out of here and go home.